quick overview of this project, what it does. If I go to my local host here, I can see it working. I can do a search here. Irving not there, but if I search for Castaneda or for anything that has a CO in it, NI for example, you see the matches, well, name, last name, phone number, email. Yeah, the project evolved. So Irving, there's no validation here. And if I save the contact, I see that is here. Right, I can also edit it. Say this is Lauren Ipsum. And save. And that is it in a nutshell. And I can see that if I come here and I look for first name Irving, I will see that it's here. And if I delete it, I go here and it's not here, right? This is a MongoDB Atlas. And these are all the contacts there that were seeded. There's a page to that, there's an endpoint for that, for seeding it. So you see I have two controllers here. The setup controller is the one that seeds it. And I have the API controller. This would be to seed the database, which I seed with these different contacts. And the API controller is set up to do the basic functions of REST, right? It gets the contacts, post contacts, updates the contacts and deletes a contact. It's using Express and Mongoose for that. So we can see here, Mongoose, Express, etc. And configuration I'm handling with this DB get connection string, right? It's used for Mongoose, which I get from this config. That is the basic structure of the backend. And then for the views, I have this EJS code here, and I guess I have some JavaScript to add listeners, to create the different HTML elements, edit and to edit and delete, fetch, etc. The filters here, filters by property, and also the sorting of the table. I have them all separate files. The sorting is another thing I guess I didn't show correctly. And I think that's it in a nutshell. I'm exporting everything from here, and this is just to add the listeners